He might be protecting, so.
Seagulls! Can't stop me! Oh my goodness. Look at them all. Okay. Wait for one. Okay, go. Oh, fail.
Oh, he caught it.
That is so cool. Oh, they're not catching it.
Wait for it.
Okay, go. Oh. That's so cool.
Geese are kind of dumb. He's like, oh, I'm gonna let it hit me in the head. God. Take me out.
I recorded it. Hello. Gonna try and take you out again. Hey! Don't get butts! Oh gosh. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah! Hello, little guy. Aww. Hello. Oh my gosh. Hello. Hi. Oh, it was gonna bite me. Peck me. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Hey.
That one's feisty.
He's like, you're holding it in your hand. I'm gonna get it.
Oh, that's good.
Look at this guy.
Give me another piece. Oh my goodness.
What, let him take it out of your hand.
But it scares me,
Here.
kind of.
Take a long piece.
Okay.
Okay. He actually takes it pretty good, that one does. That's a short piece. Hey. Don't hiss at me.